Okay, so we're back, and we've whoops, let me move this over here. We've pulled out this guy here, the original XEL-CF board, and I built a new one, which basically uses a let me get this on here. There we go. Basically uses a little bit different version of the IDE44 to CF adapter. It's got a right angle female on it. And so to facilitate this, we had to get rid of the sockets that would originally be there for the chips because it was just a little too high. And so once I got the chip soldered in, then it was a little too low. So I added, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there we go. So I had some double stick tape in there to kind of make up the difference. And then I also put just a female 34-pin connector, not one with extended pins because we don't really need it for what we're trying to do here. So let's go ahead and put that in place. And let me see. Let's go put one of the problem cards in here. I don't know if I can do this or not. No, I guess I'm going to have to do it like this. Plug it back in. And then let's go ahead and power back up. And then we'll go ahead and load in that TIS program. And we're getting the exact same results. So basically eliminating the ribbon cable, at least for these cards, didn't really buy us anything. What was the other? I think we had we had a problem with the transcend card being able to be read too. So let's go ahead and give that a try. Okay. Hey, actually did a little bit better than what it did the first time around. Yeah, it's trying. So yeah, I guess at this point we could say we have a little bit of an improvement on the reliability of the system, getting rid of the ribbon cable. So let me try one other thing. I actually on the 16 gig card, I actually put a bunch of files on this in the FAT, which wasn't reliably working before. Let me see if that works better now. Okay, we won't need to load anything from the SIO, so just bring it up and we'll hop into the loader here. Okay, and actually let's try loading this one right. Oops. There we go. Base 33. Base 33 actually loads a lot of stuff from the disk. So this is actually a good test. And then we'll also try Newman after this as well. Both of these actually failed with this card and still having the the ribbon cable in place between the adapter board and the XEL-CF. So let's see what happens now that we don't have a ribbon. This takes a little while to load in. And I can see the activity light is solid green right now on the adapter card. Just so it works. Yep, there it goes. So let's just run for a little bit because it's still drawing in files right now from the CF card. Looking good. Okay. Let's see if Newman loads. My version starts out blank, so nothing to worry about yet. Although I'm not seeing anything happening. Let me see. Well, not 100%. Not 100% because it should have come in by now. Yeah. So I'll show you the difference here. Oops, like this. There we go. But I don't have Newman on here. Oh, that's right. This is just games. Let me see. Do I have another card? This one might have it. Let's see if this guy does. There we go. Oh yeah, I can see I saw the disk loading. I think it's doing a little bit of crunching here. Like I said, my version of Newman is missing. I think there was like a little intro section while it was doing its thing here, and mine's missing that intro. So that works. Let's go back one more time to the 16 gig card, just for granted, see if it'll have success if I try it one more time. Although the fact that it failed even one time is not a good sign, and means that there's still an issue. Okay, so the drive light's on, just went off. And nothing. So no, it is not reliable. 16 gigabyte, 50 megabit per second SanDisk card is not reliable even without the ribbon cable between the adapter card and the XEL or XEL-CF board. Oh well. Back to the drawing board.